All right, so one of the things we found when we're having beer, we eat what's called edamame. These are like little peas or beans or whatever, and they come in like this. You just pop them out, a little salty. Perfect with beer. Really good stuff.
Okay, so we are at a Japanese beer garden. With my buddy Kevin there. All right, so the thing about beer garden, it's all you can eat usually, but you got to go over and get your own drinks. Almost every beer garden will have these self-service type things. You serve yourself. Just push, there you go.
All right, start, and away they go.
Yeah, and they're pouring the beer for us. How beautiful is that? Over here, let's walk back to the table. Now, beer gardens are traditionally done on rooftops, but now this is a riverside beer garden, and this is what they typically look like. Okay, so we're having samgyeopsal, which is a pork style thing, where you cook the meat here, you wrap it in the leaf, put some sauce on, pop in your mouth, and I don't know why we have fucking French fries. Who needs French fries at a beer garden? Yeah, really. As Kevin eats one. So here we go. You would take the meat like this. So here I'm cooking it up. By the way, we are gonna relax and have a little bit of fun, so I'm not gonna show the whole thing. Drive Kevin crazy here. Just the beginning part. Get some onions going here. Now you don't have to worry about if it falls on the table like it just did for me, because you're grilling it up anyway. It should kill any germs.
All right, so basically to eat samgyeopsal, you grab a piece of lettuce, or throw a little bit of onion or something in that there. Usually, and I don't see that here, but usually we have some rice too. Throw a little bit of rice in there.
I never ate it with rice.
Never eat it with rice. I'll always eat it with rice. Throw a piece of meat in there, and then we got a little bit of this red sauce here. This is good stuff. I can't remember what it's called, but it's nice.
It's
like a miso.
Gochujang.
All right.
Gochujang.
Gochujang. I think it's a mixture of gochujang, because it's not just gochujang, there's something else in there too.
Okay.
And then a little bit of garlic. Usually what we do is, oh, yeah, it's hot. Get a little bit of garlic and fry it up in there, but this time you got a garlic paste here. Okay, every place is a little different.
Like this.
Scissors for cutting the meat.
Yeah,
If you're a gentleman, if you're not, you just eat it like this.
yeah, you can offer people to cut the meat, make it smaller pieces. Here we go, and as we say, kanpai. So I think you've seen enough of the beer garden. It's time for Kevin and I to relax and enjoy. So let's say a quick cheers here. Cheers. Please subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Love you all.